Hello again, my precious. Here is a new video on my channel, and this time we are talking about New Year celebrations in Ukraine. I hope you will like this video. So let's start. З Новим роком. Happy New Year. So today we are going to learn a little bit about celebration of New Year in Ukraine, and we are going to learn a song. I hope you will like this video, so let's continue.
Всі бажання збудуться, свято прийде.
As a tradition, we should learn new words. Вивчимо нові слова. Новий рік. New Year. З Новим роком. I congratulate you with New Year. Or we can say щасливого Нового року. Happy New Year. Зустрічати Новий рік. To meet New Year. Сніжинка. Snowflakes. Грати в сніжки. Play snowballs. Ліпити сніговика. Make a snowman. Гуляти біля головної ялинки міста. Walk near the main Christmas tree of the city. Запалювати бенгальські вогні. To burn sparkles. Святкова північ. Holiday midnight. Бій курантів. Chime clock. Зворотній відлік. Countdown. Сидіти з родиною біля святкового столу. To sit with a family behind the festive table. So these are new words, and we will all use them. So let's continue.
Новий рік, хай збудеться все, що не збулось торік.
Прочитайте текст. So this is a short text. Some parts are written in present tense, some parts are written in future tense, so you can write in the comments have you identified all the tenses. If you don't, feel free to watch my videos about this. I will leave the hint on a playlist somewhere there. So, and let's read it. It's about my dream New Year. З Новим роком. Цього року я не хочу святкувати Новий рік. Але наступного року, після нашої перемоги, я вірю, що буду зустрічати його зі своєю родиною. До півночі ми будемо сидіти за святковим столом. Під бій курантів почнеться зворотній відлік. Настане святкова північ. Ми покладемо подарунки під ялинку. Потім ми підемо гуляти біля головної ялинки міста. Запалимо бенгальські вогні. Обов'язково піде сніг. Сніжинки будуть падати нам на долоні. Ми будемо гратися в сніжки або ліпити сніговика. Всім побажаємо щасливого Нового року. Okay, let's translate the text for those who haven't watched all my videos yet and can understand only a little bit. З Новим роком. Happy New Year. This year I don't want to celebrate New Year, but next year, after our victory, I believe that I will meet it with my family. Before midnight, we will sit behind the festive table. Under chime clock, final countdown will begin. Festive midnight will start. We will put presents under the Christmas tree. After that, we will go to walk near the main Christmas tree of the city. We will burn sparkles, and it's necessary the snow will fall. Snowflakes will fall on our palms. We will play snowballs and make a snowman. We will wish Happy New Year to everyone. So I hope you have liked this text about my dream new year with my family next year, and I hope everyone next year and this year will have peaceful night. And we are going to continue. I have recorded a song for you, and I have recorded it because I don't want to come across with YouTube rights, so I have recorded this song for you myself. It's not really professional, but I hope you will hear the main melody of it, and I will leave the reference to another video with the professional singing, not mine, so you will have better experience of the song. But I know that you know this song and you know the melody because it's really popular and it's really Ukrainian song. So let's see. At first you will listen and then we will learn the words of the song.
Щедрик, щедрик, щедрівочка, прилетіла ластівочка, стала собі щебетати, господаря викликати. Вийди, вийди, господарю, та подивись на кошару, там овечки покотились, та ягнички народились. Ти, господар хороший, будеш мати мірку грошей, що не гроші, то полова. Твоя жінка чорноброва, я щедрик, щедрик, щедрівочка, прилетіла ластівочка.
Пісня, a song. So I hope you have understood that it was the carols of bells, but Ukrainian version. Again, if you don't like my singing, please watch the video in the description that I left the reference in the description, the link, and you can listen the professional singing of the song, but for practicing you can use my singing too if it's not too bad for you. But let's look through the words. It's a Ukrainian version of Carols of Bells. You know that this song is Ukrainian, firstly, and it was brought to New York by Ukrainian choir, and then it became really popular, and we have American and English version Carols of the Bells, the most popular Christmas song. But actually in Ukraine it was not Christmas but New Year song. You know, it's really ancient, and you know that in Ukraine in ancient times people have celebrated the New Year in spring. So it was an ancient time, a long time ago they celebrated New Year in spring. And this song is really ancient because it is talking about that прилетіла ластівочка. So the swallow has flown, and the swallow in winter it's impossible, but in spring it's really natural. So this song is really ancient. It shows the tradition on the first day of New Year. Young people and children in spring came from the house to house to ask for presents, and they sang this song to say thank you for the generosity of a new year, of the starting of the spring. And actually the name Shchedrik, it is from the word generous, so this is song about generosity. And okay, Shchedrik, Shchedrik, щедрівочка. So it's about this celebration of generosity of people on the first day of New Year. Okay, and right now it's of course New Year and Christmas song. So but this ластівочка, this swallow, reminds us a little bit about ancient times. So the next row, the next two words are прилетіла ластівочка. The swallow has flown. And you see that I will put the stresses not like in the song. In the song the stresses are a little bit shifted because to make the song more rhythmical, but I will put the correct stresses on the words. Стала собі щебетати. This vowel started to cheer up. Щебетати, cheer up. Господаря викликати. This vowel started to call for the master. Господар, master. Вийди, вийди, господарю. Come out, the master. Та подивись на кошару. And watch on a place where the sheep all the sheep live. So koshara, it's a place where people in ancient times kept their sheep. Там овечки покотились. There the sheep gave birth. Та ягнички народились. And the lamb were born. Ти господар хороший. You are a good master. Будеш мати мірку грошей. You will have lots of money. Що не гроші, то полова. Which is not money, that is chaff. Твоя жінка чорноброва. Your wife is black eyebrowed. So you see black eyebrows, it was a sign of a very beautiful woman in Ukrainian ancient times. So that's why they complimented to the wife of the master that his wife is really beautiful. Okay, I will read again these words for you. Щедрик, щедрик, щедрівочка, прилетіла ластівочка, стала собі щебетати, господаря викликати. Вийди, вийди, господарю, та подивись на кошару. Там овечки покотились, та ягнички народились. Ти, господар хороший, будеш мати мірку грошей. Що не гроші, то полова. Твоя жінка чорнобрава. And now you have listened to the words, you have understood what is the song about, so try to sing it in Ukrainian. It will be cool, it will be great, and write me in the comments, did you like it, and did you manage to sing it, and I will be happy to even to listen if you would like to share with me. It will be great. So this is the end of our video. I hope you have liked it, I hope you have enjoyed it. So please subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumb up and share it with your friends. Write me any questions in the comments, and Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, and season greetings to all of you. And me, Scruff, and even Lord Sandwich, we are going to have short break, and we will come back to this channel after the 9th of January. But I hope you won't lose us. You please watch other videos that you haven't watched yet, and have good holidays. Bye bye.